weather, is it? Huh. Because sometimes it's the test. Sometimes it's the weather. But usually they test it on the first Wednesday of the month at 1 p.m. Pretty day of snow. But it can also looked at as muggy. Sounds striking. Imagine walking outside with that. So loud. Well, yeah, when you open the window, I'm recording the sound to see how it is, but it's loud when you open up the window. Yeah, it's like a test or alarm, like if there was a tornado ever or certain weather. I mean, if the weather was bad or anything, but I think that's a test one because it doesn't look that bad, huh? Yeah.